Alright, this is a video for a fuel filter and engine air filter replacement on a 2013 Sprinter 170 length, and the engine is a model 906 series 635 engine 642, and it's a little bit different from the 2012 or the 2014. The 2014 has a casing over the engine. This does not. The 2014 video that I'll be posting a link up to, which is a good reference point, but a little bit different. The fuel filter is more easily accessible on the 2014. This one, it's really buried in under the air filter. But let's start by taking this apart and replacing the air filter for the engine. There are two different air filters. There's the cabin air filter, which is over there, and then there's the engine air filter, which is in here. So we're going to start by replacing the air filter for the engine, and then we'll replace the fuel filter. Start by removing the power. Over here, there's a little clip underneath, so you got to push it with your forefinger, your long finger, middle finger, and then you can just kind of pull the rest of it up and out of place. And let's get some gloves on before we go any further. And then after that, move over to the left and start by removing the clips on that side. And for the most part, we just kind of tuck this stuff out of the way while we're working on it. Let's see here. Let's see, same thing, it's just a little push pin here by my forefinger. Pinch it in and then just kind of jiggle it back out of place. This one's a pinch on either side and pull it back out of place. So pretty easy. There's a little zip tie down here, which looks like it's a zip tie clip though, so we can probably just, there we go, wiggle it down. So that's just a pressure pin there. So if you just slip a thin knife blade in here, it will get in the way, and you can just push it down after that. So that's fine. And then last, you need a flat-headed screwdriver. Undo this. And you don't have to totally take that off. That's enough. You just got to loosen it enough that you can pull it out of the way, like so. And now we're going to need some hex heads to get these off. Let's see, it says S2TH25, so a 25. So there we go. Just use the drill gun to get these off. The thing with Torx is that you don't have a difference between metric or SAE or anything like that. It's just one sizing. That's it, so it's pretty straightforward. I've never actually taken off the air filter, so I'm not sure how deep the screws are. As you can see, they're pretty deep, pretty long. This might take a little minute to get these all off. I'm wondering if I'm going to need to pull out the entire box to get this off, which is certainly possible if there's more screws in the back. That's all the screws in the front. You can see it now, looks like they're the same size and shape, so they're pretty universal there. And let's see. Not seeing any in the back, and it looks like it's hinged, so it should just flip up like so and come right off. There you go. Look at that. All right, we'll just set this aside for a moment. Okay, let's take a look at this filter. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. All right, very rubbery side, I'm noticing. And oh, yep, there's some junk. Okay, so there's some crap there, and the bottom actually looks pretty dirty. Oh yeah, look at the backside. Look at all that crap. Yep, all right. Yes, that definitely needs to be replaced. Oh wow, might need to get a shop vac in here to clear this out a little bit more. I think that might be a good idea. Okay, looks all right. Good stuff. Really clean. Looks like they were finding a lot of dust and dirt and stuff out in there. No biggie. Okay, slide this in. Oh, a little tight. Yep, seems to fit. Good. Don't see that, all right? Let me get this little hinge thing in the back. 4 prongs, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so just bring it on an angle. I should be able to slide it back in place. More angle. Oh, I think that might not too much. Let me see if there's a way to. Nope, that's just not. It's not like that. So maybe the ridge is a little too high. Yeah, should be about right. Okay, well, not a big deal. So I guess it's a little tough to get it back in place. But we can just pull this out, and this thing just pops right out. So I got this little elbow piece that just pops out. There we go. Get muscle a little bit. You got pinches on the top and bottom here, and that'll pop out as well. No, close enough. Maybe not. Screwdriver. Put that down. There we go. All right. Let's piece it out. We'll pull the rest of it out, and then we'll put the top back on. All right, continuing on. This is where I'm going to get the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and push everything back into place a little bit. It's probably not the right way to do it, but I think it'll work. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just kind of pushing the rubber bit back into place because otherwise it's getting pinched into the hinging, plastic hinging. So yeah, it feels better. It's closing more easily. And I don't see it getting pinched into places that it should not be. Still maybe a little bit over here. Actually, this bit, might as well do it. Yes, I'm aware that I'm using an impact drill driver and that is massive overkill, and that I really shouldn't be using this type of a drill gun, but that's okay. I'm just going to baby it, and at the very end I will hand torque these into place, and because it's obviously plastic, right? So if the impact drill kicked in, the hammer drill function kicked in, it would probably rip right through the plastic. So this is a little risky if you're going to use a drill gun. Yeah, see, that's what you don't want to have happen right there. Not fatal, but still not good. Okay. There we go. And the rest of it we'll do by hand. Take these down. There we go. All right, and once we finish getting these on, we're just going to pull this whole thing out and move on to the fuel filter.